guys, so today's video is going to be another fun one. I have been dying to do this video for probably years now. My husband and his roommates in college used to hide these all over their room, all over their apartment, and they used to just prank people and like put them everywhere. But a while ago I saw a tutorial of a girl using these to do her makeup, and I've wanted to do that literally since then and just never got around to doing it. So today I'm really excited to say that I will be doing the tiny hands makeup tutorial. They're just super tiny. I'm pretty sure he got these on Amazon. I will link them down below if anyone wants them for no reason or to do a video with them. But basically I am going to try to do my makeup with just these little hands and see if I can do it. I can't, this is a little stupid. And it's totally casual. My hair is really messy right now. I'm wearing this really comfy sweatshirt. This is from Heroic Arts Apparel. It is a custom sweatshirt and I absolutely love it. It just says USMC on the front. The back has the Marine Corps emblem with my new last name, and the sleeve says Semper Fi. They have this sweatshirt for all different branches and they're really good about customizing it, so I will leave that down below if anyone wants it. I've had this sweatshirt for a little while now and it's just so comfy, but I wanted to wear it and be super casual because I wanted to try to cover up my fingers so it actually looks like these are my hands. So we're just gonna jump into this and get started. I did lay out what products I wanted to use. Also, to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to be having a drink, just showing you guys once, and then I'm going to be using the straw. Don't come at me in the comments. This is not going to be some crazy pretty tutorial. It's meant to be fun. Oh, I already used my freaking fingers. Okay, first things first, I have to prime my face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime. Do I really have to like not? Can I open these before? This is going to be a problem. Okay, we're going to leave all these open. And normally I would rub this in with my hands, but we're gonna take, oh jeez Louise. I'm gonna take the stippling brush, and I think that just, I lost a hand, hold on. There we go. Okay, this is gonna be a long video. Why did I even waste primer? This is not gonna come out good and I'm gonna take it right off. Okay, now for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Dream BB Cream. And normally I use my hands for this too. But yeah, we're gonna go in with that brush again. This is why I poured myself a drink. Oh, hello. Why don't I just like move my face for the brush? Okay, now for concealer. I like to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm just like mixing the two. Normally I don't put that much of the Tarte, but I just like the Tarte in my inner corners and then the Maybelline one basically everywhere else. And I'm just gonna be using my Real Techniques OK Beauty Sponge. Oh God. Oh, I used my thumb. I should have studied and watched other videos. I literally saw, I think it was Jamie French. I think that was the reason I subscribed to her. I saw her do this years ago and I was like, I'm doing that. Now I'm doing it. And I'm like, why am I doing this? Why did I want to do this so bad? Okay. But, oh, I poked myself in the eye. Hold on, I gotta readjust my hands. I feel like the face won't look too bad. Everything else probably will. Okay. Let's just roll it. What happens when we roll it? Oh boy. Also, this beauty blender needs to be washed. Ow. Okay. So just go like that. Okay, I'm gonna be done with that. A little liquid courage. Ah! It's my tooth. Okay, now I have to powder my face. And I'm using I'm gonna keep it on the table, but I'm just gonna show you guys. Just kidding, I'm linking everything below. The Physicians Formula Mosaic Face Powder. Now I'm going to be setting my under eyes. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Face Powder in the shade 10, Fair Light.
Oh geez, my poor sweatshirt.
Now we're gonna bronze. I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer.
Good enough. Why are you doing this? The jawline?
Beautiful. And now my nose, which I don't go in with a smaller brush for. We're almost halfway there. For blush, I'm doing the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Pearlescent Pink.
Oh boy. Oh boy. It's not blending out. I'm done with that.
I figured it out with the small brushes. We are going to attempt to do my eyebrows, and we're going to be using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. I think I need to like twist the... Okay. Now, for eyeshadow, I gotta take the plastic off. I haven't even done it yet. I'm going in with a palette that I finally got my hands on. I can't break this, so I'm using my real hands. We are going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson collaboration, the Mini Controversy palette. It is beautiful. I finally got my hands on this one, the big one, and the makeup bag. I would use the Conspiracy palette, but yeah, I didn't want to break that one and ruin that one with this video. So first, we're gonna go in with a blending brush with the brown color Diet Root Beer, and we're just gonna go very pigmented into the crease.
This is gonna be bad. Using my head instead of the brush. I don't know why I have to open it up like that. Oh, my sweatshirt!
Okay, now I'm taking the color Exposed, and I'm putting this all over the lid. now I'm taking the color My Apology.
There's makeup all over my sweater.
I'm gonna clean that off. And go in with the color My Boyfriend's Purse and put that on the inner corner and drag it in a little bit to the eye. And blend it together. And then I need to go back in with Diet Root Beer and blend this out.
Definitely feel like one eye looks better than the other.
Oh no. Okay, we're just gonna look at it from far away. I'm gonna go in with this brush that I used for my under eyes, and I always like to just clean up a little bit around. And then I feel like I have to use the shade Put It Back because they had to put it back. And I'm gonna go in with this little guy from Eco Tools, and I'm just gonna load it on. We're gonna smoke this out with green. A little strawberry moment here.
I'm really smoking it.
I can't with my mouth open the whole time. I think that'll look better with mascara on. Okay, and now the part that I've been dreading, eyeliner. Okay, I got it. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I like this because it's a felt tip. I don't normally use liquid eyeliner. I'm a gel girl, but for the sake of this video, we're going to try. I'm really just gonna do very thin, just to like line the lash line. I'm not, oh wow, okay. I really don't want to mess it up, but I know I can do better. I'm not gonna go crazy. I think that looks great. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express mascara. This is the waterproof version. Oh, I'm making a mess.
Falling on my hand. Focus.
Normally I do like 2 to 3 coats of mascara. I feel like with a look like this, I should have put on fake lashes, but I can't put on fake lashes normally, so that would have been a real treat. I knew there was gonna be one mistake. I knew it. I don't hate it. Ah! Oh, my thumb. Okay. I thought it was gonna fall on my face. That's it for mascara. We're gonna let this little mistake dry, and we're gonna go back in and fix that when it's all dried up. And then I really just think I'm gonna do a nude. I couldn't get my hands on the Sheen Glossin lip gloss, so I feel like I just need to do a nude. This one is from Tarte. It's literally called Nude.
Oh, highlight.
All right, you know what? Let's just go back into the Mini Controversy palette. And I'm just gonna take this like really big eye brush that I kind of use for a highlight brush sometimes. We're gonna go in with my boyfriend's purse. This is how it landed in my drink. Can you guys see? It literally landed in my drink, but it flipped and landed this way. Thank God. Okay. Okay, so the trick is when the mascara dries, it just flakes off.
It was gonna mess up somewhere.
This is the finished look. It actually came out way, way better than I thought it did. I'm Italian, I have to talk with my hands. I really only messed up on the mascara. The face is like a little janky, but way better. The whole thing is just way better than I thought it did. And I absolutely love the Mini Controversy palette. That was the first time that I used it and I absolutely love it. It's so pigmented, I love the colors. I'm sure I could create a better look than this, but way better than I thought I was gonna do overall. So in the beginning I thought it was gonna be way harder than it was, so I had a lot of fun making this. I hope that you guys had fun watching it. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment what you thought or any requests down below. I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.